Hi, in front of me is XIAOMI Redmi 9T, and today I would like to show you how you can operate all vibration options on this device. Start by opening settings. Now scroll down, choose sound and vibration, and scroll down again. Over here you can click on the switcher next to vibrate phone calls to enable or disable vibrations for incoming calls. You can also click on the switcher next to vibrate one silent. This way your vibrations will be turned on or off while your device is muted. Lastly, click on vibrate on tab and adjust intensity of that vibrations by selecting one of the options like medium, or turn it off completely by tapping on off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!